Hello students, Mr. Arzali here with another fine moment in nature. We are at the Ridgefield Wildlife Reserve and I've got my trusty sidekicks with me.
Hi. Hi.
These are some Oregon white oaks. These trees are massive. Will you guys stand by the tree so they can see how big they are? Look at that, huge. Unbelievable trees. This one in particular is about 400 years old. You can imagine how much different the world was 400 years ago. Some really great bird watching out here. There's herons. Apparently there's beaver and nutria and all kinds of vermin out here and smaller birds, warblers, sparrows, towhees, and all kinds of jays. Kids are fighting over the binoculars. It's great. But just enjoying a little bit of quiet in between the trains going by. A little overcast day. Clean, fresh air. It's really relaxing if you let it sink in. We'll see y'all back in the classroom.